Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heartwarming world of Korean Sundubu-jjigae, the delectable soft tofu stew. But wait, there's more to this comforting dish than meets the eye. Get ready, because we're about to reveal some fascinating unknown facts about Sundubu-jjigae that will leave you hungry for a bowl. So, let's simmer into this soul-soothing journey together. Sundubu-jjigae has its origins in the Joseon dynasty, making it a traditional Korean dish with a rich history. Sundubu refers to soft tofu, and jjigae means stew, combining the two to create a flavorful and comforting delight. The true magic of Sundubu-jjigae lies in its hearty broth. A lesser-known fact is that it is typically made with a combination of anchovy stock and dried kelp. This simple yet flavorful base infuses the stew with a depth of umami taste. While Sundubu-jjigae is usually associated with a mild flavor profile, did you know that you can customize the spice level? Adding Gochujang Korean red pepper flakes, or Gochujang, red chili paste, gives it a spicy kick, turning this comfort food into a fiery delight. The star of the show, of course, is soft tofu, but there are exciting variations to explore. From Gyeongdan Sundubu with colorful rice cakes to Himul Sundubu with a delightful seafood twist, each version adds its unique touch to the stew. Sundubu-jjigae varies across different regions of Korea. In the southern regions, you may find a clear broth version, while in the northern areas, a more robust and spicy rendition is preferred. Each region brings its own culinary charm to this beloved dish. A bowl of Sundubu-jjigae is never complete without the perfect pairing of bangkan, side dishes. From kimchi and radish salad to fish cakes and pickled vegetables, the harmony of flavors elevates the dining experience. While it's a popular lunch or dinner choice, Sundubu-jjigae is also enjoyed as a hearty breakfast in Korea. Starting the day with this warm, nourishing stew is a great way to kickstart your morning. Apart from its soul-soothing properties, Sundubu-jjigae is a nutrient-packed dish. Soft tofu is rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it a wholesome and satisfying meal. And there you have it, folks. The delightful world of Korean Sundubu-jjigae, with its historical roots, versatile variations, and nourishing qualities. Have you tried Sundubu-jjigae before? Share your favorite ingredients in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures. Until next time, keep enjoying the heartwarming flavors of the world.